In this video, I will take you through how to solve boost unavailable page problem. Sometimes you may try to boost on your page and you see on the where the boost post is supposed to be and it will be post unavailable. And when you click on it, they sometimes will tell you a reason, maybe page not allowed to advertise, or this page is restricted from advertising, or your other account is restricted from advertising, or something like that. But normally, boost unavailable simply means that there is a problem. There is some problem about your advertising access. Either your page or your ad account is not allowed to advertise. So maybe you have selected a post that doesn't qualify to be advertised. For example, page update post cannot be advertised. But before you can know the reason why you are having boost unavailable, you have to first of all click on the boost unavailable and you get some clue as to why. However, there is a place where you can even get more detailed information, and that is in the ad manager. And how do you do that? When you are on your Facebook like this, let's say you are on your profile. So I'm going back to the profile. So let's say you're on your profile, and then you will have to click on, you see ad manager. So you click on the ad manager, and when you click on the ad manager, it will bring you to the ad manager. And this is where we are in the ad manager. So when you get to the ad manager like this, you come to the three lines on the left hand corner and click on account quality. And when you click on account quality, it will bring you to this place. So when you get to account quality, for example, as you can see, you will normally be under account issues. So under account issues, they will tell you any issues that you have. So for example, this place, there are three outstanding issues. This page is restricted. Then the other account has an issue, and that one, the other account has rejected advert, and then the new other account also has some rejected advert. So you need to go and check all that to know exactly uh, the why the advert the problems that you have. So for example, sometimes let's look at the page. The page, they're saying this page is not allowed to advertise. This is because the page didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies or other standards, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in the fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. So this one, the main reason why they disabled it is having so many rejected adverts. So sometimes what you can do is to go back to the ad manager and delete some of the adverts that you have. So for example, I'm going to see some of the adverts that we did. If I probably if my client violated some policies, we could delete them. So if you check and you realize you are violating certain policies, then you have to delete some of the campaigns that you've run. But as you can see, um, I analyzed and I realized that all those adverts that were rejected here were rejected because of the page being disabled. That is the problem. But apart from the page being disabled, there's no other problem here. The apps don't have any problem, but because of the page being disabled. So this one I can go right away to appeal. However, if they had disabled it because I am selling something that's against Facebook policies, I would have I have to delete all the advert I did in the past. So, for example, some people may be selling content that is against Facebook policies, such as sexual related content or sexual enhancement drugs, adult products, or maybe some medicines like prescription drugs, or maybe they are having before and after pictures, and then a whole lot of other things. I will leave a link in the description for you to follow and be able to know all the policies so that you know what is right and what is not right to post. So if you know you are selling anything that is against their policies and they have warned you even before, you have to delete all these adverts because a person is going to manually check it and he or she will see what you have been doing. So it's better you delete it before you start the appeal. So first of all, before you appeal, you have to check. In some cases, they may ask you to submit your ID card most of the time. So first of all, click here, request review. So as you can see, they're saying get started. So when I click on get started, they are asking me right away to request the review. But for most people, they may ask you to submit your ID card before you can request the review. So when they are asking you to submit your ID card, please don't submit the ID yet before you do these things before you submit the ID. First of all, you have to check if your name on the Facebook, your first and last name, does not match with what is on your ID card. Please make sure you go to your account settings and change your first and last name. I'm not talking of the page name, but your account name, because they are going to look at what is on your account, the name on your account, and then the birth date you have used and your gender, and compare it against what is on your ID card. So, for example, you have to make sure that you go to your settings, your profile settings. When you come and click on your profile picture on the right hand corner, you see settings and privacy. When you go to settings and privacy, you see account settings. Go and change your name to your first, last name, and middle name to match with exactly what is on your ID card. And the ID card that they accept are national ID, voter ID, national health insurance, passport, driver license. Please make sure you, for whichever ID you are using, it has your first and last name and your birthday and your profile picture on it. So if all those things are there, make sure you change on your in the Facebook. Also, don't forget of your birthday. The birthday and the name are the most important things, plus your gender. These are the things they check. They check. Make sure all those things are matching. So after you do that, you now come to you also write a short description of whatever the problem is and then add it. So I'm clicking on I am not sure which policy was violated. So when you click when if you were asked to submit the ID card, you will follow, you will upload the ID first. The first step will be that one, and then after you upload the ID, you will now click on. It will ask you why you requesting the review. So don't click on I am not sure which policy was violated or I think there was something authorized to my page. But click on another reason, and then I'm going to paste the reason. And my reason is that my page has been disabled, and I received a message saying that I'm not allowed to advertise because of blah blah whatever they stated as the reason why I am violated, I am restricted. You write all those things there, and after that you say, oh, I spend about $300 a month on Facebook ads, and the core of my business depends on Facebook or Instagram ads to sell, and this restriction is really big growth in my business. And I have run several campaigns, and none of them was ever rejected, and I'm extra sure I didn't violate any Facebook or Instagram policy and or community guidelines. And I'm extra sure. But in case I have violated any without knowing, I'm sorry. Please forgive me and reinstate my account for me. So that's basically what I have written. Please, some people always ask me to give them the steps. I will advise you take them and describe what your problem is. Even if your problem, maybe you were trying to add a card or you did something, whatever you did that you were restricted, please try and write that. Because if I put this text in the description and all of you are going to write the same thing, at the end of the day, they will know that we are all copying from somewhere and that will not be the test. So try to describe your problem. After you do that, you click on send. Okay, so and what you will now do is you click on close. Then as you can see, review requested on 18th of October. And then you come back here, they're saying you will get a response within 48 hours from when you requested the review. But it's important to note that from May 2022 to now, the request for review takes more than the 48 hours it used to take. Before May, it used to take exactly 48 hours and you get a response. But from now, it sometimes takes more than the 48 hours. So please take time to check after 48 hours. If you don't get a response, you can follow the link above to contact Facebook Business Support for a live chat assistance on the progress of your the review requested, so that they can help to at least appeal to their internal review team for them to hasten it and make it at least for it to get a response in a short time. So this is how basically you can request for a review. And thank you once again for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos like this. Once again, have a great day.